Are you ready to get fit? Well, my friends, you guys need Fitville. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out Fitville's sneakers. So, how to love your feet. So, give you a little guide here on a couple things. So, let's check them out. Oh yeah. So guys, check out their sweet looking sneakers. So these are Fitville's tennis shoes. Man, they are sleek. Check them out. Overall, they're really nice. I still gotta make them a little tighter. I want to run the shoestrings a little tighter, but other than that, I've been walking with them for a while now, just to get a feel right out of the box, and I like them a lot. They're definitely super soft, super comfortable, and stylish, so I'm very happy. I think you guys will be too.